Let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum is sitting at 2627. Finally, we are seeing Ethereum above $2,500 area. Finally, it went and it hit the area of 2600, and things can start getting interesting because as long as $2,500 holds, Ethereum stays bullish. And I think not just bullish, there is this overall hope that we are going to go and see $3,000. Of course, we have a community member in my Telegram. We generally joke around. He is waiting for Ethereum to hit $3,000, and I think it's been 2 months at least, if I could recall it correctly. But anyway, that's an insider joke that we have. But for us to see Ethereum going towards 3,000, first it needs to capture 2,800, then it will go and hit 3,000. We have seen it going towards 2,800 a lot, but of course when it comes to hitting 3K, we are yet to see that. It's been how much time? I'll tell you that. When was the last time we saw an Ethereum on $3,000? That was 2nd of February, for the love of God. And it's not shocking. World Liberty Finance lost hundreds of millions of dollars, at least 200 million, I think. They lost it to Ethereum because they bought it at higher price and then they ended up selling it in loss, massive loss. And since then, Ethereum has only gone down. It went all the way down towards 1385, which is $1,400. It's horrible. But anyway, now in current terms, $2,500 is the most important support area for Ethereum. If Ethereum continues to hold this, we will have expectations from Ethereum to go and hit 2,800 as a minimum target. And then for the first time in how many months? February, March, April, May, June, and July. For the first time in 5 months or 6 months, because July is 6th month, it will go and hit the area of $3,000. And this is almost like after half a year, it is going to go and touch 3,000. I think this is going to be monumental. Monumental in a sense that waiting half a year for something to go and do something, I think it's a lot of time, considering how much money is flowing into Ethereum through ETF, and there's so much bullish news around Ethereum, and still Ethereum is stuck under 3K. That is really, really painful. Painful for those who are invested in Ethereum. Otherwise, if you're not, of course, it's party time for you. Anyway, there's nothing else to add. Until we don't lose 2,500, we don't go below it for more than 2 days, Ethereum stays bullish, and there is hope of it getting to 2,800, hitting that, and then hitting 3,000. If we go under 2,500, then we can turn bearish. Then we will be aiming for 2,000 in 2 pieces. First drop towards 2,200, then $2,000, and that's everything with Ethereum. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.